Today we're on a nature walk. I am with Tony too. I know. So we're on the trail right now. Yep. This is weird. We've seen some deer over there somewhere.
I thought we could see them better at there.
Yeah.
Over here. That was a zip line.
Yeah, that would be cool. Actually, no, because there's like a point. Yeah, there's just a point where you just, oh, whoops. Oh man, I just broke my head.
Yeah, you don't just say this, oh man, I just broke my head.
No, I'd scream my butt off and then say, oh no, I broke my head. No, I wouldn't. Don't know.
Mom, what's Grandma? You feel like,
Pretty. Yeah, we used to ride our bikes down there, remember?
Just slow down a little bit for a while? Okay.
Tony the turtle feels. I made a good pun.
Mom,
That's the prettiest bird I've ever seen so far. It's like red and black. Dude, that's awesome. Okay. Oh man, I'm zoomed.
Imagine if you just dropped your phone inside there.
Oh man, that would suck. Okay, that's the end of this nature walk video. Stay tuned for more nature walk videos because they're kind of fun, you know, because they're like really pretty and all. So thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, I have a Shopkin, by the way. Sushi, bye.